ezangane lezi zingakwazi uchange nazenze ngcono, because abazali bazokhala kusasa. Bakhaliswa yini? Zingane zabo ngebehavior abayifunde kuShebe, because uShebe i-role model yabo. Nithanda ningathandi noma ningathini, ingane zenu zizofunda kuShebe and ingane zenu zizenza into uShebe azenzayo, and then kusasa nizokhala zabazali because nina nisupporta noma yini ebhedayo. And then kusasa kuthiwa izingane azilaleli just because nina abazali anikwazanga ukuma nikwazi ukulungisa ezinye izinto, because kwamele uShebe abe accountable for izenzo zakhe ezibhedayo as umuntu omdala, as an artist, as an influencer ose industry of music abantwana babukela kuye. Ayikho lo muntu leyo ukuthi uShebe wangena kanje namela aqhubeke kanjalo. There's no such. Mela change ayenze ngcono. Namanje lento akadlula kuzo uyazideserve because omele enze ngcono and mela afunde. Mdala meke ngaka for angenza izinto lendlela enza ngayo. Anginandaba noba abantu bangathi-attack bathini, but the fact ukuthi iqiniso limila lijiki, uShebe mela change enze ngcono ebomini bakhe.
But with somebody like Shebe,
yeah.
Come on, bro.
Like for me,
from the onset, that's his brand. That's who he is.
To add on to that, but there's also, okay, we can look at it back, guys. I didn't ask to be anyone's role model. I'm also living my life.
Yeah, true.
It just so happens, you know, you guys like me, you like my music or whatever it is that I put out there. But then there's also the other side, which says with great something comes great responsibility.
Yeah.
With great power comes great responsibility. Also,
and it is power and influence.
With a huge platform and influence comes responsibility.
But with Shebe though, come on. But a guy like Shebe, his identity has always been being the renegade, the delinquent. He said he's always been a delinquent. He robbed people, he took phones, and when he recorded his first song, he was coming in through the window to rob people. So yeah.
Wait,
like when he got his first song, he was about to rob the guys. There was a house break-in.
Oh,
right? Yeah,
really?
He was breaking into the house, and then there were the guys with the studio. Yeah, and they were like, "Oh, nice beat, nice beat." I almost stopped your heart from beating. Nice beat. Let me hop on to
that. Is crazy.
So how do you expect somebody like that to be a role model?
I assume that after what happened with the daughter, right? I assume that was gonna be a light bulb.
All of us did.
In his career, a light bulb in whatever in his life, even in the people that he surrounded himself with. And Jiggy, now there's that video with the pipe, bruh, and I'm like, why?
Yeah.
Why would you allow this to happen?
Yeah.